Hey everyone, and welcome to this tutorial where we'll walk you through configuring ExSign for Microsoft 365 and setting up your first signatures through the application. So, let's begin. Before installing ExSign, several configurations need to be made in Microsoft 365 and other locations to set up the application for stamping, along with meeting certain prerequisites. So, let's go through these configurations. Two connectors must be created in 365. The first connector routes outbound emails from Microsoft 365 to the ExSign agent for stamping, and the second connector facilitates the transfer of processed emails from the ExSign agent back to Microsoft 365. Once the connectors have been created, you will also need to create two mail flow rules in Microsoft 365 before signatures can be stamped on its mailboxes. These rules are: prevent out-of-office messages from being sent to ExSign agent. Identify messages to send to ExSign agent. The next step is to get the IP addresses whitelisted with Microsoft. When a new tenant organization is added to Microsoft 365, mailboxes may encounter this error while sending emails: can't send email, NDR 5.708 access denied, traffic not accepted from this IP. This may occur due to the tenant's IP being blocked. To resolve the issue, a request must be lodged with Microsoft through email to get the IP address whitelisted. Then you also need to register an application in the Azure portal. Once done, it is time to install the ExSign agent for Microsoft 365. The ExSign agent for Microsoft 365 will be a separate machine from the ExSign web portal and will authenticate itself with the web portal through an authentication token. But before it can be installed, there are some prerequisites to be met on the machine. For details, see the ExSign Microsoft 365 agent is developed to work as a desktop utility and can be installed on any standalone Windows machine on your own premises or a machine in any cloud service such as Amazon Web Services, AWS, or Microsoft Azure. However, it cannot be installed on an on-premises Exchange mailbox server that already has the ExSign transport agent. Additionally, outgoing SMTP port 25 should remain open in the firewall. Run the installer and follow the installation wizard. Once installed, log in to the central ExSign portal with ExSign admin or global admin credentials. Navigate to Entities in the left column and select New Microsoft 365 Entity while adding a new entity. Move to Servers in the left column and select the desired entity before adding a new server. While adding the server, generate an authentication token to connect the agent with the central web portal. Open the agent desktop utility and enter the token there. After validation, the agent communicates with the web portal through a secure channel. Move to Organizations in the left column and select the desired entity before adding a new organization. After the organization has been added, map it to an actual Microsoft 365 tenant or organization by providing its client ID, tenant ID, and client secret. Also, select a group for stamping. ExSign will stamp signatures only on the members of this group. Then add a signature rule. Finally, test the rule. Contact us today for more details on ExSign.